I have to tell you something.
What?
Where's your motorcycle?
What?
Your white motorcycle?
I don't see it. I lost it.
I threw it in the garbage.
What?
I had to throw it away.
Why?
Because you don't play with it. Okay? Are you okay with me getting rid of your motorcycle?
Yeah! I gotta find it.
I got rid of it. I threw it outside. I gave it to this little kid that was walking by.
Oh, that little boy outside?
Yeah, the little boy.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
He needed a motorcycle.
Yeah. I want more than... I
But
have
he really wanted it.
I want...
You had two, so we gave him the other one.
I want one. I want two of them.
Oh,
Okay, but I gave it away. Are you okay?
No.
Julian, come here. What happened, Poppy? What happened?
I don't want you to take the motorcycle I don't want you to take the motorcycle the boy.
Why not? Maybe that's the boy. Let's go see. He get back the motorcycle.
No.
Look. Got it back.